Hello guys, in today's video we're going to do a two-way Premier Planes and PPC Holland comparison video. I got this model from Manchester Airport's aviation shop. It were on the pricey side. It was £30, which I think is actually a rip-off for these models. I wouldn't pay that much really, I'd pay about 20 quid. But when I was there I thought I want to treat myself, so yeah. And then this one, it was about £12 off two-way, the actual flight. Yeah. So let's get started and see what these models are all about. So this is the two-way Premier Planes and PPC Holland models. They look very similar. I think this is a Dutch one. And then this is a UK version. Yeah, they look very similar. The engines are like exactly the same on both of them. Yeah, this one though hasn't got blue doors like on this one. That's something they've gone wrong about on Premier Planes. Yeah, I think the tail fin on the PPC Holland version is a bit too far forward. It needs to go back a little bit. And then on the Premier Planes version, it's a bit too far back. I know that sounds really fussy, but the actual photo of it looks like that, and to me that's just a little bit too far forward, and then that's too far back. But yeah, on the PPC Holland version, it's got an APU. And then on the Premier Planes version, they have actually tried to do an APU, but it doesn't seem to work as well. But yeah. They are great models. They are great. The paint quality, I would say the PPC Holland has got better paint quality, because the Premier Planes version, the blue just seems a little bit lighter. It doesn't really show up on the camera, but the blue is just a little bit lighter on the Premier Planes, whereas the PPC Holland, that is more accurate. So let's see these models against the white background.